In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Freshdesk works, an all-in-one cloud-based help desk and customer support platform designed to streamline service operations, boost agent productivity, and deliver seamless customer experiences. Freshdesk is a powerful tool that's revolutionizing the way customer support is managed across various industries. Let's dive into the core functions and workflow that make Freshdesk an invaluable asset. Freshdesk's ticketing system is the backbone of its operation, consolidating customer inquiries from multiple channels, be it email, chat, phone, social media, or web forms, into one centralized system. This integration ensures no customer request is missed, and it keeps all the relevant information organized in one place, significantly enhancing the efficiency of your support team. Workflow automation and intelligent routing take Freshdesk's capabilities to the next level. It automates routine tasks such as categorizing and prioritizing tickets, freeing up your agents to focus on more complex issues. Using smart routing, tickets are assigned to the right agent or team based on factors like workload, skill, or the channel through which the ticket was generated. This ensures that your customers are always connected with the best possible resource to resolve their issues quickly and effectively. Team collaboration is also at the forefront of Freshdesk's design. Agents can collaborate seamlessly using internal notes, ticket threads, and parent-child ticketing, which allows for internal discussion involving either the team or external stakeholders without exposing customers to these internal processes. This makes problem-solving much more efficient and effective. For those who prefer a self-service option, Freshdesk offers a comprehensive self-service and knowledge-based platform. Customers can find answers themselves through a branded portal, complete with FAQs and community forums. This not only reduces the overall ticket volume, but also speeds up resolution times for common queries. Freshdesk's AI assistant, Freddy AI, empowers your support efforts by providing proactive support features such as response suggestions, sentiment analysis, and the automated resolution of simple inquiries. This intelligent assistance ensures that customers are receiving timely and accurate responses. Analytics and reporting functions allow you to track performance through dashboards and reports, monitoring metrics like ticket volume, response times, and agent efficiency. You can customize insights based on your specific workflow needs, providing a detailed understanding of how to optimize your support operations. Integrations and omnichannel support are integral to Freshdesk's offering. It connects seamlessly with tools like Slack, Teams, Shopify, MailChimp, Jira, and many more. This ensures a unified approach to handling both internal collaboration and customer touchpoints, making your support ecosystem robust and interconnected. Finally, Freshdesk is designed with security and scalability in mind. Features like role-based access, SSO, IP whitelisting, and audit logs ensure your data remains secure while the system scales with you, from small startups to enterprise-level organizations requiring advanced workflows. That's a wrap on how Freshdesk can transform your customer support operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been insightful and informative.